Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. I cannot believe this is our last week together, and I was looking forward to seeing you all in class, but because of everything going on in the world, we will be having class online this week. I want to make sure you're all practicing social distancing and washing your hands as much as you can because it is a scary place out there, and I want you all to be safe. Um, let's jump into Module 8. So this week, we are going to be completing a few things. The first, since today is Saturday, March 28th, you will be submitting your 2 peer reposts from your discussion board on marketing. So make sure that you have already completed that, or if not, get that in by 11:59 this evening. Also, what's due today, again, the 28th, is your peer review for your program development plan on the sections of family and community and section B, which is administration. A couple of you have already submitted them to me. Thank you. What I need from you is you as the peer reviewer need to peer review one of your peers' papers, right? So you're going to, at the top of the checklist, you're going to print out the checklist, you're going to write the student's name and the peer reviewer name. The peer reviewer name is going to be your name. You are going to submit that to me. Even though it's someone else's paper, you're receiving points for that peer review. Um, you're receiving your participation points for the week. So you want to make sure to submit that along with your notes, your comments that you made for them. You're not going to just submit this checklist and just check things off. You can write on that same checklist what you're asking them to do, or if everything was perfect, you can write everything was great, or you can give them a little plug of positive comments and so forth on there. But again, you're turning it in with the comments to receive your participation points for this week. You will continue to be working on your program development plan. It is due April 1st, and that is, you have already submitted the individual sections, and once you get the peer review back, you can make any kind of changes or updates you would like to, but the final draft is due April 1st. If you look into your grades, you'll see how you have already submitted section A, B, C, and D, or A, and then the family and community, and then B, C, and C. So anyhow, all that has been in there. You put them in there already. You have already submitted them under Canvas. I'm going to be looking at that for timing, meaning the system tells me when you turn those in. If you did not turn them in on the dates they were due, you will be deducted points for that. The final is due April 1st. I'll be looking through that. I'll give you all your final points on that assignment. Then I'll go back to see if you turned in all the components to that assignment on time. If they weren't on time, points will be deducted, and I will write that in your comments section. All work, I want you to know this as well, all work must be submitted by Wednesday, April 1st for credit. So anything that you're redoing for me, anything that you've missed or whatever, what have you, you want to make sure to turn in April 1st. After that date, and once I grade your program development plan, those are your final grades. Nothing past that point can be submitted. So make sure you take your time this week with your program development plan. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If you have a certain question on, on any of the sections, please feel free to email me, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great week. I hope to hear from you soon. Again, please stay in, be safe. My prayers are with all of you. Take care.